Hello guys, okay, I am back. As you can see, I've been cutting firewood all day. Well, not all day, just about an hour or two. I got home from school, did some homework, and got started cutting firewood. Well, I'm out here at my dad's, and we got a good storm that came through about a week ago, and our neighbor had a big old tree come down, and they asked us if we wanted the wood, and I guess my dad said, sure, that's fine. So we're over here taking, so I'm over here today cleaning it up. I got the limb already cut up. Now all I'm doing right here is just pretty much hauling it over to our wood spot and actually sawing it in fireplace proportions. So I figured I'd let you guys watch it a little bit. Why not, you know? So yeah, I am using my dad's saw. I'm not using my saw. My saw is currently on our farm. It's going to stay there for a while. It does need a little work done to it. The sprocket that runs the chain is getting a little worn down. I need to replace that here soon. But I am buying the two pieces of equipment, guys. So look forward to that. Those videos are coming up. Those one piece of equipment I am getting hopefully this weekend. And then 2 weeks from Friday, I will be getting another piece of equipment that goes to a tractor. One of our John Deere 2032R tractors. So stay forward, look for that, and let's go. I'm using my dad's steel MS251 aggressive chain cut. It does good. Honestly, out of my saw and my dad's saw, I like my dad's saw better. So I am going to try to get the same exact saw. If not, I'll buy it off of him. But my dad's kind of finicky about buying stuff off him, so I may just have to buy it myself. But, yep, I'll may end up buying this off of him. You never know. Not our lawnmower, or my lawnmower. It's my dad's. For some reason, he's went to Husqvarna for lawnmowers. Don't ask me. I don't know. We all run John Deere besides him. I don't know why. So that's what I'm using today. So. You know, here, so I get my, not much farther. Let me get my leg chaps on, and yeah, we'll get started cutting firewood here in a little bit, but talk to you guys for a sec. But I just been in school. I started school about, I think the date was August 24th. I started school. So yeah, since I've started school, there's not going to be as much videos since I'm not going to be on our farm. This weekend, the Friday, the weekend of the 25th, I am going to our farm. Most likely I'm going to be taking down a difficult ash tree. So I'll make a video on that. And if you guys have noticed, I have a tripod now. Woohoo! That's why the camera view is good right now. Because I bought me a tripod. And guess where from? I got it from Amazon. That's right, people. Amazon. For just $24. And I'll tell you, this is my first time using this tripod, and I'm liking it so far. I really am. It's adjustable. You can raise the height. But yeah, I'll cut a little bit farther. I don't know how much more I'm going to do to it, because if you can tell, it is getting a little late out, and I'm going to miss the NFL game tonight if I'm going to go in at 8:30. It's just Monday Night Football. Dub Bears. So, all dues necessary. Break on. Let's get this show on the road. So, yeah, my battery came on, but like, see, the chain, I call myself, but the chain get a little dull, but once that do thing, steel makes a kick-ass aggressive chain. That's what I'm using now. This shit cuts through like butter. Great. Damn, I hit dirt. Oh well. Practice on it, right? wagon full done. Yeah, belly. But, my beer belly. But, this video is almost 11 and a half minutes long. So, let's go wrap it up. Ain't nothing much going on here, just some storm cleanup damage. You can see a saw runs good. I'll do it again. Steel MS251 aggressive chain. Steel did good on this one, I'll give you that. Our little 170 does good. Our 271 has a little bit of issues. We're getting into arguments about saying, oh, we need a new saw because the 251's not cutting right now. Then last time we cut that pine tree, I think I have on video, we hit a nail inside the tree. Somehow I got a nail grew up inside the middle of the tree. We don't know how. We don't really care. All we really care about is our chain. Well, that nail fucked up that chain. And honestly, let's say get a new saw. I think we just need to get a new chain. That's the problem, I think, with it, because it's not cutting at all. And I think that is just the chain that really fucked up the chain. Excuse my French, but they're just using it for excuse to get a brand new saw at 390 XP is what they want for steel. When in fact, we don't need something that big. The biggest thing we need is that 271 Farm Boss, you know. So if they do get a new saw, I get that 271, which honestly, either way, it doesn't affect me. Let me adjust this for you guys. This might help out. There you go. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, my tripod's adjustable. But, yeah. This is what I've been up to. Let's see, because I'm about done with storm damage for tonight. I've been at it, and it's hot and humid. It's hot here in Ohio. But, I think it's about it for you guys. I don't really know what to say. I'm trying to keep this conversation going. But, yeah, if I don't go with my grandpa Wednesday, and because he's a carpenter, and yeah, sorry, I'm taking off. I'm redoing my chaps, but if we don't, because he took up a job with this dude, and I'm not too fond of the dude, but whatever, you know, it's a paying job. But that's not the point. The point is, he took up the job, and this dude wants him to build I want to say it's a 5x10 deck on a slope that's at least a 10-foot slope. So, my grandpa's 70. I mean, he's 68. And he's still out there doing shit like that. But although that's his choice, you know. I'm not saying that he needs to do it, but that's him, and he loves doing that, so we just let him do it. But, yep. So if I'm not helping him, because he's sick right now. But, he says Wednesday he'll work again on that. But, honestly, I told him I would work it Wednesday. But now this came up. So either I'm doing that Wednesday, and I don't know if I'll make a video of that. I might try to make a video of that, but we'll see. Because that's right after I get out of school. I'm not going to be able to come home, so. But, if I don't do that Wednesday, then I'll probably do some more storm damage clean up. It all depends when my dad gets off work. Because, you know, you're not supposed to cut alone, which I don't. My dad is around here doing whatever he does. So, This video is 16 minutes long, so yeah. I think I'm going to cut it here, you guys. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, before I do that, I did make my own like YouTube